There are only two voices inside you. One that wants comfort, one that wants greatness. And every single day, they fight. Not on Instagram, not where anyone can see, but in silence, in your room, in your car, in your head at 1:13 a.m. And tonight, they're talking again.
I'm just tired. Life's heavy. Work drains me. Bills don't stop. Gas is expensive. Rent keeps rising. I barely have energy to survive. How am I supposed to chase something bigger? I'll start next week. When things calm down, when I feel more motivated, when I'm ready. Right now just isn't the time.
There it is, the excuse. You don't need more time. You need more standards. You say you're tired. Everyone is tired. The difference is, some people move anyway. You say life is heavy. It's heavy for everyone, but some carry it stronger. You don't get it. It's different for me. I didn't grow up with money. I don't have connections. Nobody is guiding me. I'm figuring it out alone. And what if I try and I fail again? I've said this is my year before. Nothing changed. Maybe this is just who I am. Maybe average is realistic. Average is comfortable. That's why you're defending it. You're not scared of failure. You're scared of responsibility. You're scared of responsibility because once you admit it's on you, you lose the right to complain. You blame your schedule, but you had 3 hours to scroll. You blame your body, but you skipped the gym again. You blame your bank account, but you didn't learn a new skill. You don't lack opportunity. You lack discipline.
Silence, with that's truth. And truth doesn't whisper. It hits. Why are you so harsh? Cat. I just relax like everyone else, like Queen. Can't I just relax like everyone else? Take it easy. Why do I have to suffer just to be successful?
Because comfort is expensive. It costs you your future. Nobody said you can't relax it, but you turn relaxation into escape. You don't rest. You avoid. You don't recharge. You numb yourself. And then you wonder why your life isn't moving. You want confidence. You want confidence. Stop breaking promises to yourself. Every time you say, I'll wake up early and hit snooze, you weaken your identity. Every time you say, I'll start Monday, you train your brain not to trust you. You're not lazy. You're undisciplined. And discipline is trained.
But what if I don't have that mindset? Attack it. What if I'm just not built like that? Some people are naturally driven. I'm not. I need motivation. I need the right mood. I need the perfect plan.
No. You need action. Motivation follows movement, not the other way around. You think those people wake up inspired every day? They wake up committed. There's a difference. Motivation is emotional. Commitment is logical. Motivation says, I feel like it. Commitment says, I said I would. And real growth is just built on the second one. This is the turning point. The moment where excuses lose their power. Not because they disappear, but because you see them clearly. Excuses sound reasonable. I'm stressed. I'm busy. I'm overwhelmed. But underneath all of them is fear. Fear of failing. Fear of looking stupid. Fear of giving everything and still not being enough.
Yeah, I'm scared. Scared that I'll try hard and still not win. Scared that people will judge me. Scared that I'll prove my doubts right. At least if I don't try, I can say it wasn't my full effort. That protects me.
And it also traps you. You're protecting your ego while destroying your potential. Failure with effort builds strength. Failure with excuses builds regret. 10 years from now, you won't remember the fear, you'll remember the chances you didn't take, the workouts you skipped, the ideas you never launched, the conversations you avoided. And regret is heavier than discipline.
The room feels different now. The lies are cracking. The comfort is losing its grip. So what do? Just flip a switch, become a machine overnight.
No, become consistent, one decision at a time. When the alarm rings, you stand up. No negotiation. When you say you will train, you train. Even if it's 20 minutes. When you promise yourself something, you keep it. Small wins rebuild identity. You don't need a new life tomorrow. You need a new standard today.
And when the excuses come back, because they will, I know they will.
Good. That means you're growing. Excuses never disappear. You just stop obeying them. When your mind says, skip today, you go anyway. When it says, you're not ready, you start unprepared. When it says, no one will notice, you remember that you will. That's how you separate yourself. Not with hype, not with quotes, with action, repeated action. Good. That means you're growing. Excuses never disappear. You just stop obeying them. When your mind says skip today, you go anyway. When it says you're not ready, you start unprepared. When it says no one will notice, you remember that you will. That's how you separate yourself. Not with hype, not with quotes. With action, repeated action.
I'm done hiding. Done blaming. Done waiting for the perfect moment. If I'm tired, I move tired. If I'm scared, I act scared. If I fail trying.
That's it. Kill the excuse the moment it appears. No debate, no discussion, no delay. Because every excuse you tolerate builds a weaker version of you, and every excuse you destroy builds a leader.
Your life will change the day you stop explaining yourself and start demanding more from yourself. No one is coming to push you. No one is coming to save you. It's you versus the voice that wants comfort. And the day you choose discipline over excuses is the day your real story begins. So tonight, when that soft voice whispers, tomorrow, answer it with action. Because the future belongs to the version of you that refused to make excuses.